As I stand here, I am hit with an immense wave of emotions. From the first message I ever sent you.
Oh my God. You look beautiful.
To our first date, and even when you told me you didn't want to go on a second date. I had a feeling it was always going to be you.
You always ask me if I'm sure, and I've never actually given you a solid answer, because the answer is no, I'm not sure. Being sure of something implies that there is some decision to make, and the reason I can't be sure is that I don't have a choice when it comes to you. There is no doubt or hesitation when it comes to my love for you. Something way more powerful than choice has kept us together through dealing with crazy hard times and larger-than-life issues. Me being here today needs no certainty because you are my home, my routine, and my inspiration.